Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
All right, welcome back, and it's time for Wednesday Wisdom with friend of the show, Justin Peterson with the Peterson Law Office. And today, we're talking about client concerns and fears when it comes to filing a claim.
Yes,
this is very interesting.
It is.
So people are involved in some sort of serious accident, but they're reluctant to reach out to an attorney. What are they saying?
They do. A lot of the comments we get when people come into our offices, I'm not the type of person to file a claim, or I don't want to look greedy. Yeah, apparently so.
Yeah.
And so we try to address that with people. You know, we first talk about how can we help you recover. You know, we want to get you back to a place you were before the incident. But we got to take away those fears first, because what we do is all about accountability. You know, while monetary compensation is what accountability is in our civil system, you know, the fear and the kind of the mantra out there is that I'm greedy. And so we try to get past that and talk to people about, you know, how to get past those fears and concerns.
Well, I am really into the Netflix series. Well, it wasn't a Netflix series originally, but Suits.
Yes.
They put it on Netflix.
You're just getting into that.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm like binge watching.
Yeah.
I'm on season 7.
It is.
Have you seen this?
It is. It's a good show.
Yeah, it's
definitely
a great show. But it's all about lawyers and how the process goes lickety-split.
It is.
They're solving cases overnight.
Yeah. By the way. Yeah. Have you noticed in the show they carry around a little file with like one piece of paper in it? Yeah. That doesn't exist either. Our files are like giant and big, and you know.
Right.
And then they read it and they're like, oh yeah.
And then they win the case like within an episode. Yeah. I wish it went that quickly.
Well, that's so funny, because that's the reason I'm bringing it up, because it doesn't happen that quickly. And I think that's one of the reasons people don't get involved, is they're thinking this is going to be too long. I've been down and I've been out in recovery. Now I've got to go sue somebody, and this is going to take forever and take time away. Talk about that a little bit.
It does, and that's probably the next question I get after we have those comments about fear and concerns is, how long is this process going to take? And really it has to do with their injury, because you can't settle a civil case until your injury has reached some type of maximum improvement. For some people, that's some inflammation that takes a few months to resolve, and the case is done. For other people, it might be a lifelong, you know, issue. Right. And so those cases, of course, take a lot longer, because once you resolve a case, you can't reopen it, you know, if you have another surgery or something
I saw that
goes
on
wrong.
Suits.
You did? That was on Suits? Nah, I doubt that. I doubt.
And people are intimidated too, just with the legal process. But you at Peterson Law Office, you all make it really easy, because you talk to people in normal language. You don't talk to them in the legalese stuff.
We do. We try to. And when we meet with people, like it goes to that, how can we help you recover? You know, we're there through the whole process to try to get you back to the place you were before, whether that's your vehicle damage, getting you a rental vehicle, making sure, you know, your vehicle gets fixed or you get compensated for that as well. And so it's a process, and we treat our clients like family, I like to think. Our clients come into us all the time. They'll just show up. They'll bring donuts to the office, things like that. And I think a lot of that has to do with how great our staff is, for sure.
Okay, so if someone has a question and they want to know what to do, what would you recommend the first step being?
Don't call Harvey Specter. Call Peterson Law Office is the first step.
He's good looking, though.
Well, I'll leave that to you guys. But no, call us. You can visit our website to see our results. It's justinpetersonlaw.com, or call us at 859-469-6390.
Yeah, and you have that live chat feature where you can talk no matter time of day. You can get a hold of somebody too.
It is. It's 24/7. We take a lot of calls on the weekends too, you know, because you know, you don't know when you're going to be injured. Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
Exactly.
And you have a wealth of expertise. This is what I love too. So you look young. By the way.
Do I?
You're looking like Harvey.
I don't feel young.
I
don't feel young these days.
But you have more experience than people might think, because you've been around in the business for a long time.
I do, and I entered into a joint venture with a firm called Whiteford. They have over 200 attorneys. They're local attorneys here, managed by Mass and Childers. They're fantastic. They have a ton of experience. They've handled everything from product defect to car wrecks to medical malpractice, and have been incredibly successful. And so it's been a great partnership so far.
Yeah, because you have to have all those experts that can recreate the scene, and they do all of this analysis. And so I think that is very beneficial to the clients too, to have those resources right there in your back pocket.
You have to, or you will not win as quickly as Harvey Specter does.
Well, I love that you're a local guy, and I love that you love the Cats. So, did you watch last night's game?
I did, you know, and it was
Can we
tough.
sue anybody over that?
It was tough. No, I'm not aware of any case for that, but, you know, it was sad. But I think we'll bounce back. We always do.
All right. We're going to be positive.
That's right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. We can't wait to talk to you again.
Yep, thank you.
Spreading some more wisdom around. That's what he does. And if you need his help, reach out. All of the information is up on the screen.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom was sponsored by Peterson Law Office.